Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of a in these radical equations where we have root a plus root a minus 7 equals 7. So to solve this problem, we are going to let root a equals x. So with what we have here, then we consider that a equals x squared. And also, we let root a minus 7, we are going to let it equals y. Therefore, we have a minus 7. This is equals y squared. So let's try to replace it. So at root a, we have it as x plus. Similarly, we have root a minus 7. So which we consider it as we have root a, which is x, and this is y. Then everything equals 7. So let's try to take the square of both sides, as we have this as x plus y raised to the power of 2 equals 7 to the power of 2. So the expansion of this one gives us x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals, and 7 squared is 49. Then we have already have our x squared and we have our y squared ready, which is this and this. So we try to substitute them, as the value of x squared now become a plus. So we have 2. Then our x here is our root a multiplied by the value of y is root a minus 7. Then plus y squared. Y squared is given as a minus 7. Then equals 49. So a plus a, it is given as 2a minus 7. So plus, for this one, here is root a and here is root a minus 7. So since both of them are having root, then we combine it together and we have it as root a into bracket of a minus 7 equals 49. And next we have, let's try to take 7 to other side. So we have 2a plus 2 root a into bracket of a minus 7 equals 49. And when 7 comes here, it becomes plus 7. So next we have 2a plus 2 root a into bracket of a minus 7 equals, so addition of this one gives us 56. So when we divide both sides by 2, so since we can reduce this value and 2 can go in everything, so 2 cancelled, 2 cancelled, and we have this as a plus the square root of a into bracket of a minus 7 equals, so when 2 go in this one, we have it as 28. Then let's take a to other side, as we have this as root a into bracket of a minus 7 equals 28 minus a. So we try to take the square of both sides so that we cancel this, and we have a into bracket of a minus 7 equals, when we expand this, we get 28 squared minus 56a plus a squared. And then well, we have a multiplied by a, that is x squared, minus a multiplied by 7, we get 7a equals 28 squared minus 56a plus a squared. So a squared cancel a squared. Since both of them are positive, then we try to collect this one here, as we have this as minus 7a plus 56a equals 28 squared. So when we try to take this one out of this, we get something around, when we take 7 out of this, we get 49a equals 28 squared. So by dividing both sides by 49, we have 49 cancelled 49, and here we have a equals, so this 28 square, we can write it as 28 multiplied by 28 divided by, also 49, we write it as 7 multiplied by 7, and then 7 here 1, 7 here is 4, 7 in this one is also 1, 7 here is also 4, then 4 multiplied by 4, that gives us 16, and we have just one solution that satisfies this problem, as the value of a equals 16. So we can try and plug it in these equations as it's going to be satisfied it. So when we try to substitute that a here, then a, which is 16, the square root of 16, that gives us 4 plus, so here is 16 minus 7, that gives us 9. Then square root of 9 is 3. And 4 plus 3, that gives us 7. So it means that the left hand side equals the right hand side, as the value of a equals 16. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.